Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can recover unsaved file or document in Microsoft Word. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Microsoft Word application on my computer and I'm going to go to the open menu. Just click on this open menu and here you're going to go to the recover unsaved documents. Okay, and these are the unsaved document in my Microsoft Word, and you just need to select the unsaved document you want to recover. And for example, I'm just going to select this one guys, and I'm going to click on open. All right, and if we want to recover it, we have to save this document. I'm going to click on save as, and then I'm going to save it in my download folder. Okay, then we just need to click on save to save the document. Okay, and now this document has been recovered. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recover and saved document in Microsoft Word. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.